Okay, best Hot Wheels car, Bugatti Chiron, and this is X rated, so 999. It's as good as a car gets. Pagani had the Mercedes AM1G. That's the main car of Forza Horizon 5. Here's the Hennessy Venom. Lamborghini Sesto Elemento. Koenigsegg. Here, I'll just go a little bit. Unicorn. That one. Bugatti Divo. McLaren Senna. That's the main car of Forza Horizon 4. This Atom Aerial. That one's really good too. Nissan 70cz. Lamborghini Sian Roadster.
No.
And it keeps on going. M4 Coupe. All these cars. And it starts getting a little bit random over here, but that's mostly it.